Hi all, welcome to Protractor tutorial. Today we are going to see the shorthand notation and semantic sugar given by Protractor to use for locator techniques, locator findings. So the Protractor has given the two shortcuts, dollar and dollar to use instead of find element or find element all. So if you are aware of Selenium, you know that for finding the locator we have to use webdriver.by. So that is get replaced with by in Protractor, and browser.find element we can be replaced with only element. So similarly, suppose you have to use browser.find element and webdriver.by.css. So that is we can replace with element by.css, or we can use shorthand like only dollar instead of using this syntax. Okay. Similarly, for if you want to use find elements to find multiple element in an array, so for that you can directly use double dollar or dollar sign. Okay, so I have given one example. So in that you can see, so previous so in the Protractor website you also look at that Protractor syntax versus WebDriver syntax, they have given the comparison. So here WebDriver.by, Protractor syntax only by. So you can look at this table also. So we will go to the Eclipse. So I have given one sample example. Here I am going to navigate to our angularjs.org site. Over here we are using CSS syntax to click on the add to-do list. So element by.css, and the CSS locator value is given here, and the same to-do list I am going to add second time with the dollar sign. So to find all element and compare that the element is already present or not, or get added to the to-do list or not. So I'm getting all element in this by CSS, and for same element dot all by CSS I am replacing with double dollar. So I will just run this program. Okay. So it will navigate to, sorry, the internet connection. So I will run it again. So it will navigate to the AngularJS org application. And you can see this to-do list is get added. Write first Protractor test and write second Protractor test. Okay, and our test case is passed. That means this except condition is get passed. Okay, so in this page you can see the locators. So the span I have used with the class done equal done dash false. Okay, to get all the elements from the to-do list, and to click on that add button. So here we have to click on that add button. We can inspect that. So the value is given add. So that CSS is used over here to add the element. Okay friends, thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting or useful, please like and subscribe my channel to get more videos and knowledge on the Protractor. I am also updating the Protractor issues and Protractor training videos on that, on this my website and YouTube channel. Thank you.